Welcome to Immature Designer. In this video, we will be understanding a concept of 8-point grades, which is very helpful in your UI design. Now, first of all, I'll show you and then explain you why we use this number 8. Now, what is a 8-point grade system? So, in that, what you do is basically space everything in a multiple of 8 or the number 8, or you can also use 4 sometimes. Now this card, if you design it with random numbers, you know that you want stars, you want some text, you want some bars, and you want to create a card, you know that, but you have to place that in the rectangle, right? Now you just think of some randomly, you randomly place it by seeing a gap, and you don't even see like how much distance is between this and this. The second thing you do is randomly choose some number, maybe 10 from above, maybe 30 from this side, and then some multiple of 10 and all, right? Okay. What I have done is use the multiple of 8. I'll explain you later why 8, but the multiple of 8, okay? Now see over here. Now this is spaced at a distance of 16 from pair of depths. Now this pair of depths is placed at a distance of 4 from this text. Now this is placed at 16 from this bar, and this bar is spaced 24 from the bottom and 16 from the sides. Now that made my task very easier. I just took the stars. I knew that I wanted to place it at a some distance of 8 from above. I knew that I wanted to place the pair of depths at some multiple of 8. Now that cannot be a very large distance. I don't want a very small distance. Now you have, for small distance you can have 4, 8, and for very large you can have 24, 32, but for a medium distance you can have 16, right? And you can quickly create this card. Now once you have created one card, you can replicate it. Let's discuss why 8. Why not the multiple of 6 or 5 or 10? Maybe 10 is so easier to calculate, no? Because when you go to your prototype, you can see the devices that you have. These are real devices, so I'm not talking about the devices in Figma, but they're in real life, the screens that are designed for the devices that we are using. All those are having a resolution for which 8 is a very common factor for most of the screens, okay? And now the UI that you make when they get that when they go in production and they are made for like different screens, at that point of time 8 is a number which is a common factor for all those resolution of screens, so it gives the UI a very consistent look. That's why this was the concept that this whole video was about, and I hope that you understood how important it is.